A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant move, the United States Supreme Court has announced that it will hear two pivotal cases concerning state laws that prohibit transgender girls and women from participating in girls' and women's school sports. The cases, originating from Idaho and West Virginia, have garnered national attention and are set to be argued in the court's upcoming term. The Idaho case, known as Little v. Hecox, was initiated by Lindsay Hecox, a transgender woman and first-year student at Boise State University. She aimed to join the women's cross-country team but faced legal hurdles due to a law that creates a sex dispute verification process. This process mandates medical examinations for girls and women in sports if their gender is challenged. Similarly, in West Virginia v. BJ, 11-year-old Becky Pepper Jackson expressed her desire to try out for the girls' cross-country team. In her declaration, she articulated the frustration of being treated differently simply because she is transgender, stating, "I just want to have a chance to participate in school sports like any other girl." Both cases were initially successful in lower courts, where judges ruled that the state laws violated the 14th Amendment's Equal Protection Clause and Title IX of the Civil Rights Act. The states, backed by the conservative legal group Alliance Defending Freedom, are now appealing these decisions, seeking a reversal from the Supreme Court. The backdrop to these cases is a growing trend among states to enact laws that restrict the rights of transgender individuals, particularly in sports and healthcare. In the past 5 years, 27 states have introduced similar bans, often citing concerns about fairness and safety in sports. However, critics argue that these laws are discriminatory and lack substantial evidence to support claims of unfair advantage. The Supreme Court's decision to take on these cases follows its recent ruling in United States v. Scrimeti, which upheld a Tennessee law banning puberty blockers and hormone therapy for transgender minors. This ruling has raised concerns among advocates for transgender rights, who fear that the conservative majority on the court may further erode protections for LGBTQ individuals. The upcoming arguments will not only address the constitutionality of the state bans, but will also set a precedent for how transgender rights are viewed in the context of education and sports. As the nation watches closely, the implications of the court's decisions could reverberate across the country, affecting countless transgender students in their right to participate fully in school activities. The Supreme Court has scheduled these cases for arguments in the fall of 2024, with a decision expected in 2026. The outcome could have lasting effects on the landscape of transgender rights in America, particularly in the realm of sports, where inclusion and equality have become hotly contested issues. As the legal battles unfold, advocates for transgender rights are mobilizing to ensure that the voices of affected individuals are heard in the court proceedings. The stakes are high, with many looking to the Supreme Court to reaffirm the principles of equality and non-discrimination that are foundational to American values. The justice's ruling will undoubtedly shape the future of sports for transgender youth and may signal a broader societal shift regarding acceptance and inclusion of transgender individuals in all aspects of life. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.